Yo, we've all been there. You know the feeling, right? Sitting at a table with your friends, everyone laughing and having a good time, but you're staring at your plate of greens trying to muster up some enthusiasm. It's like, why can't this lettuce taste like a cheeseburger? Staring at a plate of lettuce, dreaming of cheeseburgers, it's like a cruel joke. You see that juicy burger, and your mouth waters, but nope, you're stuck with the salad. And let's be real, no amount of dressing can make that lettuce taste like a burger. Trying to figure out how a grape could ever replace a donut. It's like comparing a tricycle to a sports car. Sure, the grape is healthy, but that donut, it's a little piece of heaven. The struggle to choose the grape over the donut is real, and it's hilarious in a tragic kind of way. Losing weight is hard, man. It's not just about the food, it's the whole process. The meal prep, the constant weighing yourself, the endless cycle of hope and disappointment. It's exhausting, and sometimes it feels like you're running in circles. It's a battle against cravings, confusing diets, and, let's be honest, sometimes even against our own brains. One minute you're convinced that keto is the way to go, the next you're all about intermittent fasting. And don't even get me started on the cravings. It's like your brain is playing tricks on you, making you want everything you shouldn't have. But guess what? It doesn't have to be all misery and kale smoothies. There's a whole world of delicious, healthy food out there. You just have to find what works for you. It's about balance and finding joy in the journey. You can have fun with it, experiment with new recipes, and discover flavors you never knew you loved. You can enjoy your food, hit your goals, and maybe even crack a smile while doing it. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about making choices that make you feel good. And when you find that balance, it's a game changer. You start to see food as fuel and you appreciate the way it makes you feel. Stick with me, people, because I'm about to break down a day in the life of Healthy Kevin. From breakfast to dinner, snacks in between, and even those late-night cravings. I'll show you how to make it work, how to keep it fun, and how to stay on track without losing your mind. Don't worry, there's still some heart in there. It's all about finding that sweet spot where you can enjoy your food, stay healthy, and still have a good laugh. So let's dive in and make this journey a little less daunting and a lot more fun.
All right, let's talk breakfast. It's that magical time of the day when you can set the tone for everything that follows. But let's be real, it doesn't always go as planned. They say it's the most important meal of the day, but they obviously haven't experienced my morning breath. Seriously, who wants to start their day with a whiff of that? We're keeping it real here, folks. Mornings can be rough, and sometimes breakfast is just another hurdle to get over. Now, I used to be all about those sugary cereals. You know, the ones that turn your milk into candy. They were my go-to, my comfort food, but let's face it, as fun as they are, they don't exactly scream nutritious start to the day. More like a sugar rush followed by a crash. Delicious, but not exactly what you'd call fuel for a champion. So I had to make a change. Enter oatmeal, the unsung hero of breakfast. So what's on the menu now? Oatmeal. Yeah, I know it doesn't sound exciting at first. Yeah, I know, I can hear the groans already. Oatmeal, really? But hear me out, but hold up. We're not talking about that bland, mushy stuff your grandma used to make. This is a whole new level of oatmeal. We're spicing things up, literally. Think about all the possibilities. Think cinnamon, berries, a drizzle of honey. Boom, flavor explosion. It's like a party in your mouth and everyone's invited. And the best part? It's actually good for you. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and all that good stuff. So, next time you're dreading breakfast, remember, it doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity, you can turn it into the best part of your morning.
Lunchtime used to be my jam. Burgers, fries, the works. The kind of meals that make your taste buds dance and your heart sing. Now, it's salad time. But don't worry, I'm not talking about those sad little bowls of lettuce and despair. You know, the ones that make you question your life choices. We're talking about salads with personality. Salads that are vibrant, full of life, and bursting with flavors. Grilled chicken or fish for protein, adding that hearty, satisfying element to your meal. A rainbow of veggies for crunch, bringing in different textures and a burst of freshness. And a light dressing to tie it all together. The dressing is like the cherry on top, making every bite delightful.
Pro tip, chop everything up real small. It makes every forkful a perfect mix of flavors. It tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more. Plus, it makes the salad more enjoyable and easier to eat. I learned that one from a magician. True story. He said, "The secret to a great salad is in the details."
So next time you're thinking about lunch, don't just settle for a sad lad salad. Make it an experience. Add some flair, some creativity, and a whole lot of love. Your taste buds will thank you, and so will your body. Happy salad making. Dinner is where things get really exciting. Okay, maybe not exciting, but definitely tasty and satisfying. One of my go-to meals is baked salmon with roasted veggies, a perfect combination. It's easy to make, healthy, and it makes you smell fancy. Like you could be on a cooking show fancy, impressing everyone. And the best part? Leftovers. Because ain't nobody got time to cook every single night, right?